Hi, my name is Sabine, and in this video I'm going to give you a tip to how you improve your invoicing process. So let's get into it. The basis of your invoicing is your employees' time tracking. So if you want more efficient invoicing, it all starts with your employees' time registrations. And that is why my first tip for you is to save your time tracking from the Excel spreadsheet. Here is why. The first risk of time tracking with Excel is that you lose track of your employees' time registrations and the invoices for customers. If you have to collect Excel spreadsheets from more than 10 employees, you can quickly lose the overview of the spreadsheets. And if you can't document the work that you have made for the customer, you can't invoice the customer for the work. And we all know that if you have too many things that you should keep track of at the same time, the more likely you are at making mistakes. That's just human nature. The second risk is that you jeopardize the quality of your invoicing. Why? Because you must attach the Excel sheet with the time registrations to the invoices they belong to manually. If you work in a large organization where you have to collect 20 lovely colleagues' time registrations and make them into invoices, you can quickly lose an overview. The third risk is related to the second. When you use Excel for time tracking, you not only jeopardize the quality of your invoicing, you also jeopardize the relationship with your customers. Keep in mind that every invoice is a touch point with your customers. And I dare to say that your customers probably won't be happy if you invoice them a higher amount than what is stated in your agreement. On the other hand, I'm not so sure that your customers will reach out to you if you invoice them a lower amount than what is stated in your agreement. So, low invoicing quality is a no-no if you want your customers to love you. The good news is that you can easily navigate these challenges by implementing a dedicated time tracking tool. And yes, I work at TimeLog and we deliver time tracking, but you don't have to choose us as your new time tracking tool. There are a lot of good time tracking tools out there that you can choose between. Just keep in mind that 1. Your employees must find it easy to track time with your new time tracking tool. 2. You must be able to get an overview of which registration should be invoiced and which shouldn't. 3. Your new time tracking tool must integrate with your financial system to avoid manual work and mistakes. So, thanks for watching and good luck finding your new time tracking tool.